And now, Miles will recite to you. A poem. What shall I sing to my Lord from my window? What shall I sing, for my Lord will not stay? What shall I sing, for my Lord will not listen? Where shall I go, for my Lord is away? Whom shall I love when the moon is arisen? Gone is my Lord, and the grave is his prison. What shall I say when my Lord comes calling? What shall I say when he knocks on my door? What shall I say when his feet enter softly, leaving the marks of his grave on my floor? Enter, my Lord, come from your prison, come from your grave.